Hey everyone, welcome to the week. Hopefully we didn't lose anybody after the midterm. The few comments that I heard back as people were leaving was that it wasn't too bad. Your grade should actually be posted by now, so again, good luck. If you have any questions about how the midterm was graded, or if you want to review the midterm itself, drop me or the teaching assistant an email and we'll set up something one-on-one for you to take a look at it. Now, this week goes into Chapter 6, which looks at training. This is probably, to be honest, my favorite chapter out of the textbook, and it's my favorite because it's the area that I've done the most specific work in, out as an HR manager or an HR consultant over the years. It's a great chapter from a theoretical perspective, in that the approach that the chapter goes through is totally cradle to grave. So everything from the very beginning, starting off at how you do a needs analysis from a training perspective and the different levels of assessment that you have to do, to different training theories, to some of the different methods to do training. It also goes into some of the important pieces on the grave side of it, the end side of doing training, which is the evaluation piece. And this is it's an area that, if you're going on in psychology, or even if you're looking for a 4,000 level credit in psych, that the training and development class, Psych 4426, which I also teach, takes this chapter and blows it out into one course in even more detail. So this is a great overview, and 4426 goes into a lot more detail if you find this chapter interesting. Again, I like it because it's very applicable. HR managers or training specialists who know what they're doing and are most effective in their field are following this kind of a model. And it's a spot, again, where if you look in the real world, it's often shortchanged, especially on the front and the back end, the cradle and the grave side, where companies don't take enough time up front to do needs assessments, and they really, even more often, don't take time to do evaluations at the end. So give it a read. If you have any questions about the chapter, or even about 4426 in terms of what it goes into, just drop me a line. I can always let you know how that course is set up. Again, guys, hope you're enjoying the semester so far, and don't hesitate to email or call or text if any questions are there. Thanks. Have a great week.